Hey, this is Chris. We're looking at another water feature using Monsoon storm boulders. You can see the boulders are blue with elements of green and some brown, kind of like a big monsoon storm. And Sydney Peak flagstone for the spillway and pool development. It's a recently installed feature. You can see they've got some 1 to 3 inch walk-on bark as a ground cover, and some synthetic turf. And again, another location where they did not use an infill in the turf. When we come back here in a couple years, the turf is going to be laying down, not standing up. Anyways, these beautiful boulders, looking at them, they weigh anywhere from about 1,500 pounds to about 4,000 pounds for this larger one as a base rock right there. You can use a Sydney Peak stone for this silver look. You can also use Idaho silver or gold quartzite stone. You can see how beautiful it looks. Now this is a new installation. If you wanted to keep this look, you would have to make sure to clean this stone every couple of years. Otherwise the minerals will build up on it. Beautiful upper pool feature. So Monsoon storm boulders, Sydney Peak flagstone, creating this beautiful brand new water feature. We have many boulders at great value and many colors and sizes and shapes. These are angular boulders and quarry run boulders. We have smooth river wash boulders too.